Hello guys, you are here with Code Purpose. This is our third exercise for beginners using C++. And today we are going to do a small calculator using basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplying, and dividing two numbers. First we will need two numbers, which we will declare right now, and they will be of type integer. Integer A, integer B. Now let's read them. Cout, input the numbers, cin A, B. Now let's start printing them. Cout A plus B is equal to A plus B. And line. Now we will do the same for the following operations. Instead of plus we have minus. Instead of plus we have minus. The same for multiplying. Instead of plus we have a star. And now we will need addition. I'm sorry, we will need to divide two numbers. Now we know that when we are dividing, we can't divide by 0. So let's throw in a condition. If b is equal to 0, then we will type a text that will say we can't divide with 0. Or else, if b is not equal to 0, we are going to change the plus, and we are going to multiply it with 1.0. Why did I do that? Well, the reason is when, for example, if we divide 5 by 2, the result will be 2. When we add this 1.0, then the result will be 2.5. Let's try it. 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Now let's see if we cut this out and try it again. 5 and 2. Yeah, like I said, the result will be 2 and it won't be 2.5. 1.0. Now let's try putting in 0. 5 and 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 multiplied by 0 is 0, and we can divide by 0. This is it, guys. This is how to do a small calculator. Please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time.